I bought 3 items today at my local 99-cent store. I need to protect my garden vegetables from birds. So I picked this garden netting for like $1. Thanks for John. I have to give credit to John Cooler for his video. Also, I bought some clothespins or clothespins, what do we call it, clips. And I always buy my garden glove here or wood glove, everything for $1 each, so it's a good deal. So this will protect my cucumbers against future. Hopefully, it will prevent. It will deter squirrels. I don't know how much successful with that, but for sure, I want to prevent birds. From eating my tomatoes and cucumbers. So if you like, stop by your 99-cent store and pick this up. It's only $1. I didn't say what is the area it can cover, but I imagine it's quite a bit of area. I'm gonna be putting on garden netting on my tomato plant. Then I'm gonna be using these clips, wood clips, to put them in to secure the net. You have to spread it out or extend it out. You kind of stick together here. Let's see what it looks like. So I might not need all of them. So close the top part here. Let's make sure I close it. Doesn't look very pretty, but it's to do the job for now. A lot of clips. So like you see, I have one cucumber here, Japanese cucumbers. They're pretty long. Again, the net is only $1, so better than have this than nothing. Yeah, like last week or so, I think it's rabbits, not rabbits, maybe a squirrel. Got some of my cucumbers here. If you can see, it's like maybe not. Oh yeah, you see that it ate on almost half of it right there. Anyway, cheap net to protect your garden from birds. So I want to show you, I bought these green stacks made out of plastic, I believe, not wood, for my tomatoes in the pots containers here. And basically for my ties, I just use the kind of a strong green tape here, garden tape, but get the strong one, not the cheap ones. And I just basically tie a couple knots here and it seems to be very secure. also I use I just pick up some stick, little stem for my, I think, one of my plants. This is for my, again, for my cucumber. And this one I just used some of this branch I got from my guava tree, and then I just tied up for my bell pepper here. And my 100 sweet cherry tomato is growing extremely well. I mean, it's ton of tomatoes here loaded, and this cage is not very good, so I stick one of the branch here to secure, to to make it from leaning to the left. It's a lot of already producing some tomatoes there. I'm gonna try one, see what it tastes like. It's not quite ripe yet, but let me try anyway. Tasty. It's not as sweet yet, but I can really taste tomato really tasty than store-bought for sure. It's gonna get taller and bushier. Here's my chili. A lot of flowers. Already produced only one or two chili. This one too. This is very heavy producer. I have two different kinds of chili here. The Thai chili, and I think this one from the black chili from Hungary. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. You know, after finishing the job, I still have a lot of netting left. So for $1, you cannot beat it. So maybe you can do this on my tomato plant. We'll see. But so far, the bird hasn't got to my tomato yet. All right, go get some from your 99-cent store, okay?